Hello guys, this is Obi from Gadget Fix. Just want to share some of the stencils I received in the mail today. These are for A10 and A11. I've already opened this one. Just want to show you. These are 3D stencils. They're supposed to be 3D. So the biggest problem you have when you're reballing is to align. But these sort of they stop the chip from moving around. See how they got like little indents in them. So it's actually, hopefully this will make reballing much easier. And if you notice, the holes are actually square. And what I've noticed is that when you reball, when the solder flows onto the chip, it's gonna take a round ball shape anyway. So this helps actually removing the actual chip from the stencil, so it doesn't get stuck. Sometimes, you know, with the very fine balls, you get the balls seem to get stuck, and then you try to remove it and pick it out and force the chip, and you could potentially damage something. So that's the A11, and this one is for the A10. There you go. This one I haven't peeled yet. Oh wow, that's pretty. Go. Have a look at this. I don't know why this adhesive doesn't come off properly, but that's the other one. This is very good quality. They're very thick. I'll compare it to my other ones. I'll just show you. So in comparison to the other ones, these are much thicker, much better, much higher quality. Hopefully I'll do a comparison run. So this is your standard stencils that you get. They're very flimsy. Sometimes they even warp when you put really high heat. Like comparing this with the flex in this, and compared to this, I mean, this will bend, but it is very sturdy. And you, like I said, the biggest, these 3D stencils, the best part is, you know, when you put the chip inside, they don't move around. It's probably the best part.